happy to have you all back for this week's Intivix Office 365 tips and tricks. My name is Brandy, and today I'm going to show you the very basics on how to file share using OneDrive for Business. A quick note, if any of the features we discussed during our weekly tips and tricks do not work for you, please contact your local IT admin, as you may need the feature turned on, or you just might not have the licensing rights. So let's start with, what is OneDrive for Business? OneDrive gives you anywhere access to all of your files, be it on Windows, Mac, your tablet, or your mobile device. So basically you can access files from your home, or in the office, or on the go from your phone. OneDrive also easily allows you to file share with anyone within your organization, and depending on your permissions, you can also share with clients and vendors outside of your organization. I'll be using an example provided by Excel, the cash flow analysis document. Let's say this is in fact the cash flow analysis for the company I work for, and I want our internal accounting supervisor and maybe a few others to look over this document. At the top of your ribbon, in the right-hand corner, click on Share. Now, if you haven't saved your document to the cloud, you'll receive a pop-up in the right side of your document stating, to collaborate with others, please save a copy of your file to an online location. Click Save to Cloud. Click on your OneDrive and save your document as you normally would. Now that I've saved the file to the cloud, I can go back and share my file. I have two options. I can either enter in the addresses individually, or click on the address book icon for a list of my global addresses in my company. Below the names of those that you are sharing the document with, there is a drop-down. Here is where you allow them the ability to read only by clicking on Can View, or give them full edit rights by clicking Can Edit. It is important to remember your list of invitees will all share the same rights, but you can later change their individual permissions. You may also include a message you would like the recipients to receive along with the file you're sharing. You may have instructions for them, such as when you need their final edits. Finally, click the Share button. You have now officially shared your file. There are many more features to sharing, and frankly, this tutorial could be turned into a full-blown webinar. So please, again, keep in mind that this is just the very basics of file sharing. Once your file is successfully sent, your recipients will receive an email. Here's what your email will look like to the recipients. It has the instructions from the message you typed, as well as a link to the file that they can open. And there you have it. Now you know how to file share using OneDrive for Business. Thank you so much for listening. I look forward to speaking with you all again next week.